AI Impact Summit 2026, where India's AI-first future took shape. 5 remarkable days of ideas, innovation, and real conversations. Hundreds of documents transformed into usable intelligence. Meaningful conversations with institutions from across the country. New partnerships formed, new possibilities unlocked. Live product demonstrations showing AI in action. To everyone who visited booth 135, your curiosity and trust made this summit special. Because real progress begins with real conversations. And this is just the beginning. Let's continue the conversation through demos, pilots, and real deployments. Turning ideas into implementation and interest into impact. The summit may end, but the journey moves forward. Built by ATCUALITY, DPIIT recognized NVIDIA Inception Partner.